Hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a background open RPG in Scratch. So first thing I'm going to do is make the backgrounds. Now that I'm done with the background, let's do the movement code for the Scratch Cat. So when green flag clicked, forever, if then, and we're just going to do that 4 times over. Then sensing, and if key space pressed, then we're just going to do that 4 times over as well. Then we're going to change it to WASD. Next, I'm going to make the arrows so we can change backgrounds. Let's place them all over the screen. Now let's code them. So forever, if then I'm going to put touching pointer. So we're just going to put that there. And then we're going to put if touching mouse pointer and, fix that. If touching mouse pointer and mouse down, then it's going to switch costume. So about click switch costume to backdrop 4, and now let's just drag it into other things and change it. Backdrop. Now you have an open RPG in Scratch. Thanks for watching. Bye.